Balance, equity, free margin. Please don't be alarmed here. We don't have margin. And I've made another lesson why we do not have a margin. Now, I want to explain why are we buying when the graph goes up and why are we selling when the graph goes down. But the simplest way, the fastest, the shortest road is for us to make profit. So we are predicting a performance of an asset in a given time. So in this case, we're trading a Euro USD with a sell, right? Now, when we're trading with a sell of 0.01 or buy with 0.01, we're looking what? We're looking to make profit. And let's understand what is happening here so that we can understand. All right. Now, I'm just going to show you a different chart. However, don't be alarmed again. Okay? Do not be alarmed. Now, when you buy, let's say you buy here at this price, okay, 0.01, or you sell here at this price, 0.01. Why do we sell? Why do we buy? We want to make profit. So if you sell, the graph has to go down. If you buy, the graph has to go up. All right. Now, when you buy, right? When you buy here, you're buying to sell. All right. When you sell to buy. However, I want to explain something there important here, something cool that you need to know. When you buy, the sell is silent. When you sell, the buy is silent. Why is that? Because the broker is there to actually take these opposite orders. So when you buy, they have to sell. When you sell, they have to buy. But you cannot say, I'm buying to sell or selling to buy, though it is the reality of it. But that's how actually the sell is silent is. Now, whenever you buy or a product, let's say you're selling a product, let's say product apple or product tomato, let's say tea. All right. Now, when you buy this product, you buy them at what? Let's say $10 or $10. You want to sell this product at what? At, let's say, 20 rand or $20. So this means that the difference here is what? Is 10. So your profit is what? Is 10. Now, you are buying to sell at a higher price. So meaning that you are looking to what? To make profit. That's the simplest way for you to understand. Now, when you buy and sell, someone has to come and what? And buy. When you're selling, someone has to come and buy when you're selling. When you're selling here, let's say you sell apples, someone has to come to buy. And then now, when you actually buy a product, someone has to sell the product to you. And then you make profit based on what? Based on the difference in prices. So a broker is going to work like that. The very same principle they're going to apply in a broker. So that's the main reason why you are buying and selling. So this is how it works, and I believe it actually helps you to understand why we're buying, why we're selling, and the part of us making profit. Right? And remember, into buying here, the asset, there are many parameters or parameters that you need to understand how actually we calculate the buy and sell in terms of the units that we're buying and selling. Since I've mentioned here, we're selling what? Product. So product, they have to have units, they have to have price. They have to have price for selling. They have to have units that we are going to be buying. They have to, if you are a business person, you are business-minded, you actually business-wise, you understand what I'm talking about. Now, when you're looking to here, money needed also, the money that you need in order for you to initiate the product or buy the product or produce the product. So that's something that you must actually know and understand. So now, when you're buying and selling, this is the same thing that you're going to be doing here. All right? Except that when you're trading, you must know that you do not own the product. Just like here, when you own the apple or when you have the apple. On the graph, you do not own the product. You do not what? Own the product. You are just there to actually predict the performance of the product or the graph or the graph here in a certain given time. Let's say right now in 30 minutes, we're here to actually predict the performance of this graph in 30 minutes time frame. Right? It makes sense. Now, this is a price for buying. You need to have price for buying also. So this is business. And if you are someone who doesn't understand that we're in business, this is business. We're here to what? Make business. and also make money like this way. So now I believe I've clarified many things. Do not be alarmed with this order stuff, sell stop points here. Don't be alarmed here, sell limit. Those are actual orders. I just wanted to demonstrate to you on how it works. So for me, I love you all. I wish you all the best on your success journey, and understand that there's always a room for learning. Always keep learning. And then for those who need lessons, and reach out to me so that you can learn and understand much better. I love you all.